Your subconscious mind is so powerful that when you say these commands, you can manifest anything you want while you sleep. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. And if you're new here, my channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, so be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. In today's video, I want to share with you a technique I've been using to manifest while I sleep. Yes, that is totally possible, and it all comes down to your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is so powerful that when you say these commands, you can manifest anything while you sleep. But before we jump into today's video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That little button right down there, it just takes 1 second and it helps this video reach more people. And I love making these videos for you. So go ahead, take a second, do that right now. Just hit that little thumbs up button. And once you do that, let's jump right in. Believe it or not, one of the best times to manifest something is while you sleep. And I know that sounds crazy. How can you manifest something while you're sleeping? You're asleep. How does that even work? We're going to dive deep into all of the details, and I'm going to share with you a really powerful technique that I've been playing around with to manifest while I sleep, and the results have been incredible. I am so excited to share this with you. So I am sure at some point in your life you've heard about your subconscious mind, whether it's from law of attraction trainings, resources, videos, books, school, however you learned about it. And what you need to know about the subconscious mind is that it is extremely powerful when you know how to use it. I remember when I first started studying the law of attraction, I was reading everything and I was watching everything and I was learning everything I could possibly get my hands on. And what I found most fascinating was understanding the subconscious mind, because there is so much power in it. Your subconscious mind influences so much of what you're seeing in your reality. And when you truly understand that, you will seriously be amazed at how powerful subconscious programming is. That's what I based my Abundance Academy course off of. It's all about subconscious programming and techniques to manifest what you want based on your learning type and your personality. I am so obsessed with the subconscious mind that I literally made a whole course about it. So let's go over how you manifest while you're sleeping, because I know that sounds really counterintuitive. How can you create something and hold the feeling and follow all the manifesting steps if you're sleeping? How does that even work? So one of the best times to access and program your subconscious mind is right before you fall asleep and during your sleep. I actually made a video on a really powerful exercise you do the 5 minutes before you fall asleep. I'll leave a link up here and a link down below. You will definitely want to watch this video, because when you do this exercise every single night, you will see results so quickly. I mean, read the comments, read all of the powerful results that people are having, because this technique truly works. So the way that I think this would work best is to do this technique I'm about to share with you before the 5-minute technique in the other video. So do both of these techniques combined together. It will not take you more than 5 minutes total. So don't worry, you're not going to have to do some long, drawn out 20-minute process before you fall asleep. This takes 5 minutes and it will change your life. I'm serious. When you truly commit to this, 5 minutes every single night, you'll be shocked. So let's jump into the technique. Here's what you're going to do. I want you to pick one thing you intend to manifest. I like picking one thing at a time. I know there's probably 10 things that you could think of right now that you're trying to manifest, but when you're trying to focus on too many things, you end up getting nothing done. Have you ever gone about your day and had like a to-do list, and you start one thing and then you start the other thing, but you never finish anything, so that nothing gets done? So that to-do list is all still there because you kind of started a little bit here and there and there. Let's keep our energy focused. I like to manifest one thing at a time, and you don't have to wait until it manifests to move on to the next thing. For the sake of this exercise, let's do it this way. Pick one thing you intend to manifest and do this exercise for 1 week, and then move on to the next thing you want to manifest. And then the next week, move on to the next thing. So we're going to do one focus per week. So choose the one thing you intend to manifest, and you're going to do this for an entire week and then move on to the next thing, like I said. And what I want you to do, you're going to close your eyes, place your hand over your heart, and say, I intend to create or manifest blank, or I intend to bring blank into my life. Whatever resonates with you, it's a personal thing. Like I always say, you don't have to follow my words exactly if that doesn't feel natural to you. Find a way to declare what you intend to manifest or create. So I intend to manifest or create blank. Insert whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. And after you make your statement of intent on what you want to manifest, I want you to ask for guidance. So what you're going to do is, still with your eyes closed, your hand over your heart, you're going to say, show me my part. Show me what I need to do, who I need to talk to, what steps I need to take to make this happen. I'm willing to do my part and I surrender. So like I said, you don't have to worry about getting that word for word or following the exact way that I said it. Make this work for you. Make this personalized for you. Play around with it. Play with what sounds and feels best for you. You don't have to follow my words exactly. But what you're essentially doing is declaring what you want and then asking for guidance. Declare that you're willing to do your part and then ask for the steps. Ask for what you need to do for your part. Ask what you need to say, what you need to do, what actions you need to take. And then when you're done doing that, simply say, I surrender, I'm ready. And then with your eyes still closed, I want you to repeat this affirmation 3 times. All guidance will come to me, work this out while I sleep. All guidance will come to me, work this out while I sleep. All guidance will come to me, work this out while I sleep. And then that is it. If you want to boost your results, you can go into that other 5-minute exercise I talk about in my other video. But if not, that's totally fine. So this is such a powerful exercise because you are putting out a statement of intent on what you want to manifest. You are asking for guidance. You are asking for what you need to do for your part and then surrendering. And then by affirming that you want this to all be worked out while you sleep, you take the pressure off of yourself on having to figure it all out on your own. So many people struggle when they feel like they have to do everything on their own. When you feel like you have to know what action to take, you start just taking random actions because you feel like you're supposed to be doing something. But the thing about co-creation is that you do your part and you allow the universe to work out all of the stuff that's beyond your control. It's not up to you to create the people, places, circumstances, or things to allow what you want to manifest to come into your life. It's your job to do your part. Follow the guidance, follow the inspired action, follow the impulses, follow your intuition, and then let the universe take care of the rest. That's how co-creation works. So when you do this technique, it kind of takes the burden off of you to feel like you need to have all of the answers and know all of the things that you have to do and try and make all these things happen. And it takes all of that pressure off. And when that pressure is off, that's when you can get into a place of receiving, and then things can flow to you so much easier. Trust me, when you're in a place of relaxation, that's when things can show up in your life. Don't try and control it so much. And I truly love this affirmation because what you need to understand is that your brain, your subconscious mind, is always working through things while you sleep anyway. So why not give it a purpose? Give it a specific job to do while you sleep. Think of all the times you're dreaming. That's your subconscious mind trying to work through issues and problems and experiences you had that day, or things you're worried about, or things that are coming up. Your subconscious mind is already working while you sleep. So why not give it a specific job to do? All guidance will come to me. Work this out in my sleep. Let that guidance come to you in the form of dreams, in the form of images, in the form of feelings. See what comes up for you. Everything is communication. The universe is always communicating with us. It's up to you to listen. It's up to you to decipher what's going on. It's up to you to figure out what these messages mean to yourself. You have the answers. They're all within you. It's just up to you to connect the pieces and be open to receiving the messages. So let's do a quick recap of the technique. You're going to find a quiet place, close your eyes, place your hand over your heart, say, I intend to manifest or create blank. And then you say, I'm willing to do my part. Show me what I need to do. Show me what actions I need to take. I surrender. And from there, you say this affirmation 3 times. All guidance will come to me. Work this out while I sleep. All guidance will come to me. Work this out while I sleep. All guidance will come to me. Work this out while I sleep. And then be prepared to get your answers and know what to do to make all of the things happen that you want to create. It is such a powerful technique. Trust me, you have to try this. And don't forget to check out the other technique, the 5-minute exercise to do right before you fall asleep. That paired with this is just... I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. And be sure to follow my Instagram at mkmagicmindset. I post tons of inspiration, affirmations, and so much more, so you won't want to miss out on that. And be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com. There you can find my coaching, my digital courses, and tons of law of attraction resources for you. And be sure to leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was. Let me know the results you have. I just love hearing from you. So definitely leave me a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.